Asian black pepper chicken recipe. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Black pepper chicken is one of those recipes I could make every day. Just simply delicious and simple. First, we're going to take a red onion and slice it into 1/4-inch slices. And while we're doing that, we're going to hit that like button to make sure the YouTube algorithm knows that you are loving what you're seeing. Once we've got this onion chopped up, we're going to go ahead and try to separate the individual layers to make it easy to get all of this wonderful goodness cooked evenly. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And then next thing, we're going to prepare our chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts. I like to get rid of some of this fat here. Just cut it off, put it on the side. No need for it. All right, now we're going to cut this into 1/4-inch slices. Like you see here, against the grain. Makes it easier to slice, keeps it nice and tender. And then we're going to take those and make sure they're cut into bite-sized pieces as well. All right, once we've got that done, we're going to finish up the rest of our chicken. I won't make you watch the whole thing. This is the last piece. We're going to get that piece of fat off and set that aside. Now you guys might be noticing I'm using a plastic cutting board for my chicken instead of the wooden cutting board I normally use. What do you guys think about using wooden cutting boards to cut chicken? I don't know, something about that salmonella poisoning always gets me. I just don't like the idea of having that juice from the meat in the wood. What do you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, we're gonna bring our wok up to a smoking temperature. Then we're gonna add about 2.5-3 tablespoons of oil in there. Make sure we've got it nice and coated. Then we're going to go ahead and add our cut up chicken and stir fry. Now, if you guys are wondering, yes, this is the wok from Souped Up Recipes. Yes, Mandy's wok. It's amazing. I don't get any feedback or any kickbacks from saying so, but I just think it's a great product. If you guys are looking for a good wok, go on Amazon.com, look up Souped Up Recipes wok. You'll be able to find it. Now we're going to want to make sure to cook this chicken 95% of the way through. It's okay if there's a little bit of pink because we're going to continue cooking this a little bit further down the road. Great thing about using chicken thighs is it has a little bit more fat content than chicken breast, so just unbelievably tender and perfect for this recipe. All right, we're going to go ahead and take this chicken and set it to the side. As you can see here, we're almost done with it. We're going to add a little bit of Mijo cooking wine to our pan, and we're going to go ahead and deglaze with that. I'm also going to want to ask, if you can and you like our video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It lets YouTube know that what we're putting out there is decent and more people should be watching. All right, let's go ahead and add our onions into the mix. We're going to go ahead and stir fry those until they get lightly coated with some oil and start to turn dark. Now we're going to add back our chicken. And we're going to finish this off by stir frying everything together. Let that onion partake its flavor in with the chicken. We're going to add some black pepper sauce. I'll leave the recipe up on the right. You'll see the card come out. It's amazing. Super easy to make. We're going to go ahead and stir fry that in. Oh, guys, if you could smell this, it smells so good. It's sweet and sour and salty and delicious. It's got some umami flavor. All right, now we're going to add in some chopped up green onions at the end for color and flavor. Stir fry that through a little bit, soften them up. And we're going to go ahead and put that in a bowl. It's that easy, guys. It's that simple. Cooking is fun, it's easy, and it's delicious, and you can do it. You can too. If I can do it, you can do it. Look at this. Perfect, steamy hot. The onions are cooked perfectly. I got some rice and some Taiwanese sausage to go alongside it. Would you look at that? Beautiful, delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free and it helps our channel a lot.